In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Kucoin pre-market trading. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to help you get started on the right foot. First, we need to navigate to the Kucoin website, which is our trading platform of choice for today's demonstration. You can simply type in the URL or search for it in your preferred browser. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and it's the essential first step to accessing pre-market trading and other trading opportunities. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is log in. This is a crucial step, as you'll need full access to your account to explore trading options. Look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you're correctly logging into your account. This is where you place trades and manage your portfolio, so it's important to keep your login information secure. Now that we're logged in, let's return to the Kucoin homepage to get a better vantage point of the main features. This will set us up nicely for the next steps where we actually dive into the trading specifics. The key here is to familiarize yourself with the platform, especially if you're a newcomer, because understanding the interface can greatly improve your trading experience and efficiency. Next, we want to head over to what is known as the Launch Hub. This area of the platform serves as a gateway to various trading initiatives and opportunities. Look for a menu or tab labeled as such and click on it. The Launch Hub is quite dynamic, offering a variety of resources and items to explore. But for now, we will stay focused on our current goal. Once we're in the Launch Hub, our focus is on finding the pre-market trading section. This is where the exciting stuff happens. Pre-market trading lets you get in on trading activity even before the standard market hours commence. Look for the pre-market trading link or tab, and give it a click to enter this arena. This option is ideal for spotting potential market movements and taking action before others have the chance. Finally, within the pre-market trading section, locate and click on Pre-market. This is where you'll actively monitor charts, review asset prices, and, importantly, make your investments. Pre-market trading can be quite strategic, as it allows you to prepare for the day's trading activities and potentially secure advantageous positions before the usual trading craze begins. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently navigate the Kucoin platform, enabling you to capitalize on pre-market trading to potentially generate profits. Remember, practice makes perfect. Spend some time exploring and becoming familiar with the layout to become more confident in your trading decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading!